another giveaway. It's giveaway time. Get Pipe by Audiopipe. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. Just giving it away. We've been doing that since day one. That's our way to give back to you all. Besides rewards and all types of deals, we give back stuff. And we work with different manufacturers. One being Audiopipe, who's been around since I was a kid. And we got a cool item. I don't really know how I feel about them because I really haven't had the application to use them in any of my vehicles. But I know this type of under-the-seat amplified enclosure is popular. Why? There are some vehicles that just don't have the space in the back or anything, and they know they're not going to get deep hard bass, but having this right under the seat, you actually feel it. In fact, some vehicles now, including my BMW XM, which is a $150,000 car, actually put subwoofers in the seat so you feel it and it sounds louder. So I understand the concept. So we're going to be giving this away, and I'm going to talk about it real quick. This is the APLP-1030, okay? And we're going to crack her open, which is kind of cool. Looks like probably a bass knob, and this thing's powered. So, yeah, you get a cable for the bass knob. Looks like a little big bass knob, a high to low input. So basically all you have to do is get signal, which it has a high to low. And it's actually kind of heavy. But I want you to pay attention. This thing right here is just like 2.75 inches. I mean, this will fit under your seat. So I know a lot of people are doing two of them, one under each seat. It is amplified. And looking on the back here, really cool because your power and ground and remote, I want to say that's not even 8 gauge. It's a 25 amp fuse. And then you have a high level input. You got low pass filter, you got a protect light, and you got a bass knob. And then you also have low level in, so you can do RCAs. So this is really cool, and you can actually do two of these, one under each seat. And this will, again, it's not gonna be super low bass, it's time, but it is bass, and when it's that close to your butt, it makes it seem like it's louder. So this is a really cool item. It is normally $197 new when you buy it. It is a 10-inch, 250 watts RMS. It is a built-in Class D amplifier. It is down to 2 ohms, and it's got 2 passive radiators. Maybe that's on the sides. Like, consider those radiators, which will help increase. And it does have a bass knob. Okay, how can you win this item? I'm gonna tell you right now. Like this video right now. Comment your name, location, why you should win, and you have to share this video. Though that is the first most important thing. If you don't share it out, when we go look, if we pick you, you're not going to win. We go to the next one. Then I just need you to do something simple. I want you to text the word HIDEAWAY, 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 and you're going to make that the text, and the number is the Big Jeff number, 737 Big Jeff, or it's 737-244-5333. When you text that, we will reply. Thank you for entering. Please give us your email and your full name so we have it. And then if we pick you, May 4th, which is just a couple days before my old ass birthday. I'm turning 48 this year, and I know I don't look it, so let me know in the comments. May 4th, we're going to announce the winner, and somebody's going to win this along with this. And big shout out to Audiopipe. We have Audiopipe hat. We have Get Pipe stickers that are brand new that just came out. Bottle opener, a beanie, and a nice pad and pen. You're going to get all this shipped to you as long as you're in the United States for free. If you win, you're outside the United States, you just got to pay the shipping. But we will pick this May 4th and announce the winner. And then guess what? We go on to another giveaway. That's what we do here at Big Jeff Audio, BigJeffAudio.com. So, if you want to win this, like this video, share this video out, okay? And it's got to be an unlocked page. So if you have a locked page, I would share it out in a group. Something to do with cars or automotive or whatever, it doesn't matter. And I really prefer you doing that so you can spread the Big Jeff name. Okay, and you're going to comment on this video, your name, location, why you should win. And yes, I'm moving around even though I got a hole in my back and I got my walker over there. But I'm excited because I love giving stuff away, and I know customers love it too. So, we keep doing giveaways again. I'm coming in, just do it. We're here in the office. Make sure you text HIDEAWAY to 737 Big Jeff. And on May 4th, we'll announce the winner. Hey, I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. Giving away another cool item. And guess what? Big shout out to Audiopipe for helping us do this. And they've been around forever. I love those guys. All right, I'll see you on the next giveaway. Oh, time to go.